My name is Charles Sanglin. I'm the programming manager here at Machinists Incorporated. I've been here for about 5 years now. So my role here at MI, I take parts from our planning department, bring them into our manufacturing department, basically bringing those two departments together to make manufactured parts and assemblies in the most efficient way possible.
Machinists Incorporated was founded in 1941, doing repairs and other parts and equipment for the local community during World War II. And over the years has grown, stayed in the same family that actually founded it in 1941, to now operate 7 different facilities, including 4 machine shops, fabrication division, gear manufacturing facility, and a couple different assembly plants. And during that time, we've accumulated a wide variety of machinery and other types of equipment that we use to produce a wide variety of parts and service a wide range of different industries and customers.
Fabrication is a very large part of what we do. We build very large fabrications here from scratch. We will have some parts cut on the outside or outsourced. We bring and then kit all that together, fab everything here on site, and then do all our machining here on site. We're finding that as we were getting these more advanced machine tools, we also needed a software that was capable of a lot more advanced functionality than what our previous CAM packages were providing. We have some unique machine tool assets here at MI that are like our Veris 250 that is 8,000 millimeter X traveling column mill with 2 different 5-axis milling heads. DMU 210 is 82 by 82 by 49 with a full 5-axis portal milling head. We have 2 Mazak E670 mill turn lathes that are 42-inch swing, 172 inches in Z. There's a couple of machines that kind of started to instigate this change. The main one being our Veris. That machine has 6 different kinematics that it can be set up in. We were finding that writing posts for that in our older softwares was very difficult and very time consuming. 2 years had gone by. We really hadn't gotten much progression out of our older software. So we started looking at what other softwares are out there. Some of the folks in Germany were suggesting, hey, look at Hypermill, hey, look at Siemens NX, look at some of these other packages. The CAM packages that we started looking at, I looked at some packages that were fairly rudimentary still, that similar to like Solid CAM. I was also looking at Hypermill because that was highly suggested. NX was kind of the next one that was also highly suggested. SurfCAM's translators are good for bringing different platform packages in, but exporting data back out for simulation or any other evaluation is almost impossible. The Autodesk products were just an absolute no-go because of the subscription-based platform. I can't have a CAM tool that disappears within a day or 2 if it's stopped being supported. Esprit was a little bit more of a rudimentary software that didn't do a lot of volumetric checks. It did simpler 5-axis toolpath, and NX just was much better. One thing that we were finding about NX is it supported all our more rudimentary machine tools very well, where Hypermill was utilizing more of the 5-axis functionality of machine tools and the rotary axes. And it also produced a ton of code that would be very difficult to run in some of our older Fanuc controls. Each package, as I evaluated them, NX showed that you could check all the boxes.